Welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can merge a cell. It is useful when you make clear that a value is used for a multiple columns level. Before we start, we need to remember that always the left cell value will contain and the other value will delete. Suppose if I write here any text and we merge, you will find merge in the home tab. See, the text will disappear, but in the left hand side we have written week 12, so that is showing here. Hope this video will help you to solve your day-to-day issues. If you are getting any kind of help from this video, please press like button and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.